Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. How are you all doing? Una good? Una alright? Una keep safe? Alright. So today guys, I'm going to be making potato salad my way. These are my ingredients I'll be using. This is a Maggi bouillon. I like to boil it in my potato for flavor, because you know potato is very bland, so you have to put salt and you know, spice it up for it to be tasty. This is my mixed vegetable, some carrots here, some diced celery, egg, mayonnaise, sour cream, paprika, mustard, and also some red onion here, some green onion here as well. I have all of that first, so I'm going to go ahead and put my bouillon in my water. And I'm also going to go ahead and put the salt in as well. So if you want to see how I make this delicious salad, guys, just continue to watch, okay? So guys, I'm using this potato idle, and I'm just washing them properly with my vegetable brush. I'm just using 3 today, guys, because I'm not doing a lot. And they're not so big anyways. So guys, this is the size I like to cut them, because you don't want them to get too mushy after they boil. I leave skin on some, and I peel the skin off some, and the reason for that, I just love to see the little skin come through when you finish doing it. You know, have that little different color. You don't have to do it if you don't want to do it. I just do it like that. Sometimes I just boil them all in the skin and just do it too as well. You know, that's why you gotta wash your vegetable and all of these things very, very good in order to do stuff like this, okay? I'm just adding them in now, guys, in the water. Potato is bland, guys, so you have to cook it with salt, you know, so just bring up that flavor in it. That's why I had bouillon to mine, because it gives it some nice flavor. You don't have to do that, but I do it, okay? So guys, red onion can be a little strong. So what I do when I'm putting it in my potato salad, I just add some hot water to it for about 10 minutes or so. Okay. That's a tip that I learned. So my potatoes are boiling, guys. So in the meantime, I'm just going to make my dressing for my salad. I'm using 1 tablespoon, can you see, of yellow mustard, right? My space is small, guys. I keep saying it because it's the truth. My mayo, and this is half cup of mayo, guys. You can add more if you want to. As I go along too, and if I want any more, I just put as well. Okay, and I'm also adding some sour cream. My celery. Like I said, guys, had a little sugar in mine, not a lot. I'm not telling you to make sweet potato salad here now, just to balance out all of this, okay? I'm going to strain my red onion off. Remember, I have it soaking. Strain as much water as you can get out of it too. You don't want to have saggy potato salad. So if you can even use, see water coming out, so you can even pat dry it with paper towel, that would be good, just to get excessive water out. Okay, I'll add that in as well. I'm adding just a little bit of apple cider vinegar here. See that? Just a little, guys. I'm also adding my black pepper. I would say about half teaspoonful. You don't need a lot of it. Just taste it. Guys, don't be afraid to taste anything in your kitchen, okay? Because when you do, you will know exactly what you want. Exactly what you want, right? Add a little more black pepper in mine. You can taste a little mustard taste in the back. Very nice, guys. So if you want to make it like me, just follow my recipe here, guys, with all the ingredients that I showed you earlier, okay? Potatoes are boiling, guys. Okay, guys, not yet cooked. Need to cook some more. So guys, it's finished boiling now. I'm just going to strain it off. Beautiful excessive water that leaves in it. You know, sometimes these things absorb water. Okay, so I'm just going to let them cool before I put all the dressing, guys, because I don't want to put it on a hot potato. It's just gonna be too liquidy, runny, and all that. I'm not looking for that. Okay, so I'll let it cool and come back. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for spending this few minutes here with me. I do appreciate you all. So it's cooled down enough now. You see, this is the size, and they're still holding there for the form. Still holding the form, okay? See? Okay. So what I like to do, I like to cut my eggs like this. Okay? And then do it like this, guys. You don't have to. I'm just showing you what I do sometimes, and then I crush the other one. I'm using, you know, you're gonna use more than one egg in your potato salad. I don't know who would, to be honest. I personally wouldn't use one. I have to use at least two, and this wasn't a lot. Anyways, as you see, it's just a small amount I'm doing. But I like to crush one. Just to kind of mix it in. So I'm also going to put in my mixed vegetables now too. Don't want it to break up too much. If you like yours a little more mushy, you can do that. I'm going to add my sauce a little, the time and see. guys, I taste this and it tastes so good with that little sugar in it and that little mustard, a little apple cider vinegar. Please don't use a lot. So you know that thing, it has a distinct taste and smell, so please don't use a lot. And if you don't want it in at all, you don't have to either. Okay. Guys, I'm going to put my green onion in. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it. Okay, you don't have to do it. If you don't have to put it in if you don't like it. There it is, guys. All done. Just going to add my little garnish. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I like adding my little garnish. Right. And of course a little paprika. Not a lot, guys. Okay. There it is. Okay. There it is. Very nice, guys. So that's my potato salad, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me if you like this recipe. Give me a thumbs up. Okay? See you next time. Be good, be careful, be safe.